Hello students, let me continue this lesson. That is why my first vision for India is freedom. I believe that India had its first vision of freedom in 1857. That means 1857 revolt, first war of independence. When we started the war of independence, it is this freedom that we must protect and nurture. Nurture means develop and build on. If we are not free, no one will respect us. My second vision for India is development. For 50 years, we have been a developing nation. It is time to see ourselves as a developed nation. We are among the top 5 nations of the world in terms of gross domestic product, GDP. What's the full form of GDP? Gross domestic product. We have 10% growth rate in most areas. Here Dr. Abdul Kalam mentions that India is still a developing nation even after 50 years of independence. Now it is time ourselves to grow our nation as a developed one. Our poverty levels are falling and our achievements are being globally recognized today. Here globally means what? Worldwide, all over the world. Yet we lack the self-confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation. Here self-reliant. Here self-reliant means self-dependent and self-assured. Isn't that right? I am asking you students. Self-reliance is very important. We should become independent economically, socially, politically, in all aspects. India must stand up to the world. India must stand up to the world. I have a third vision that India must stand up to the world or no one will respect us. Only strength respects strength. We must be strong not only as a military power but also as an economic power. Both we must go hand in hand. Means economic development is also important in along with the military power. Why are we in India so embraced to recognize our own strength or our achievements? We are such a great nation. We have so many amazing success stories, but we refuse to acknowledge them. Means India has made tremendous progress in many aspects. We should be proud of that. Why? We are the second largest producer of wheat in the world. We are the second largest producer of rice. We are the first in milk production. We are number 1 in remote sensing satellites. Means we have launched many satellites. You know that ISRO. To look at Dr. Sudarshan, he has transferred the tribal village into a self-sustaining, self-driving unit. Self-sustaining and self-driving unit. Here self-driving is adjective controlling oneself. There are millions of such achievements, but our media is obsessed only with bad news and failure and disasters. Means here Kalam mentions, Dr. Kalam mentions here that we should be proud of our achievements, what our scientists have done, or economists have done, or people are trying more for achieving economic development.